All right, now we're going to work on example 2. Tatiana loaded boxes of books into a warehouse. She loaded 38 boxes of books per hour for 24 hours this week. How many boxes did she load this week? Again, this is a multiplication problem because we have two numbers that's per. When you see per, often multiplication or division. In this case, it's multiplication. So we've got our two numbers. I'll use orange. I don't use orange very often. 38 and 24. And she's doing 38 boxes of books per hour for 24 hours. Now I could add 38 24 times, but I'm not going to do that because there's a much faster way of doing it. Multiplication. So let's multiply. As always, I am going to line up my numbers, my factors, vertically. In this case, 38 on top of 24, and I should have done those over. We can pretend. Okay. Okay, 38 over 24. Now, again, I am lining these up against my invisible wall here. Nothing will go past my invisible wall that I should have put against a line, but didn't. Oh well. Nothing's going to go past that line to the right. Everything will be to the left of that. So, 38 times 4. I am going to completely ignore the existence of this 2. Why? Because I don't want to worry about the tens place yet. I'm only going to worry about the ones in this, the farthest right decimal place. I'm going to worry about that and only that right now. So that 2 does not currently exist. Don't care about that 2 right now. I'll get back to it later. Don't forget about it. Just ignore it for now. So now it looks like we have 4 times 38. Now we just did something very similar, so let's do it again. 4 times 8. 4 times 8 is 32. Carry the 3. 32. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 3 is 15. 15. Booyah. All right. So now I've got 38 times 4, which I've just decided is, figured out, not decided, is 152. Now, orange again. Now I can ignore that 4 and focus entirely on that 2. But that's not just a 2, it's a 20. I'm going to ignore the fact that it's 20 for a moment and just pretend it's 2. But it is a 20, and because I'm multiplying things by 20, I'm going to add that 0 right here to remind myself I'm multiplying by a multiple of 10 now. So instead of saying this is 2 times 8, it's 20 times 8. And 2 times 8, which is 16, is very similar to 20 times 8, which is 160. So 2 times 8 is 16. Carry the 1 and put it somewhere else or next to the 3. I can cross out the 3 or erase it if I want to, but I'm using a different color, so I don't necessarily need to. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. Okay, now I have multiplied both my 1s and my 10s. Now I can add. I'm going to add these two together because these are both called what are called partial products. Partial products. Now I need to get the complete product by adding. 2 plus 0 is 2. 6 plus 5 is 11. 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 7 is 9. And 912 is the number of boxes. I'm going to write boxes. Number of boxes that Tatiana loaded into that warehouse over 24 hours that week. That's a lot of books. I want to visit this warehouse.